Hey everybody, I am back on YouTube. I didn't really have much people watching the first time around, but I'm back after 3 years.
Wow!
And this video will be a fall glam look. So I really hope you enjoy it, and I just hope it is as perfect as it can be for you guys. So thank you, and please keep on watching. And alright, so let's get started. First we're gonna go off with a primer. So this is the primer I use right now. I just got it a few days ago. It is by Hard Candy. It's an energizing primer veil with vitamin C, 12-hour wear, and it helps brighten skin. So it gives a really lightweight and refreshing look. So I've been really liking it. It keeps my foundation on, doesn't feel drying. I have combination skin, so I think this works amazing for it. So yeah, let's get started. Just gonna, please don't hate my no nail hands.
Okay.
So now that that is on, I'm gonna go in with a foundation. So the foundation I have been really liking is the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear by L'Oreal. So this one's in shade 425. I am really fair right now. I usually don't tan, but when I do tan, I use a different shade, which I am all out of, but I barely tan, so this is the shade I usually wear. So I usually put it on my hand, put like 1 or 2, and with the beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, I just start. Alright, so now that we have that base done, I think it's okay. I don't really like to do, this is a medium to full coverage, so you could get that full coverage. I usually just do 1 pump, and I'm like okay, because my concealer usually gives me more of a coverage, so, and the powder also, so I'm okay with just 1 pump for light to medium. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is e.l.f. This is the Hydrating Camo Concealer with a satin finish, and this is in shade Fair Warm. So usually put that under my eyes. Ooh, that's bright. Then I do a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, wherever I have some weird spots still. Okay, perfect. So then I'm just gonna blend that in. I look so light. Ooh. Oh, hello, Casper. I love fall. I love October. Sweaters come in, turtlenecks are worn, pumpkins are eaten. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with a setting powder. I'm doing the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder in translucent. So I've been trying it out. Got the mini little one, and I actually been really liking it. I'm pretty sure I'll buy the bigger one. So I take a different beauty blender, and I like to press that into my face, mostly my under eyes, and then go in with a big brush and do the rest of my face. Ooh, oh gosh. Oh, do that. Ooh, it's gonna be a lot. And I just like press it in, and then I'll wipe all the excess off. Okay, ooh, that's kind of going everywhere. And then I usually press it in to my smile lines so they don't crease very much. And then with a big powder brush, usually go in with a little bit. And I'll just do the rest of my face. We are gonna go in with a bronzer. So I've been hearing a lot of hype on this bronzer, the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. So this is a sunset bronzer and it smells so good. I actually haven't used this yet, so I guess it's gonna be like my first reviewed bronzer on here. So I'm gonna just go in with a bronzing brush, tap, and then go right and just, ooh. That's really nice actually. Really like that. Ooh. I put it on my forehead, my cheek, and a little bit on my neck. Okay, it's really nice. Cool, so now the bronzing is done. Is it, Sarah? Is it really? Why are you doing it? So now we're gonna go in with blush, another e.l.f. product. It is blushing, it's called blushing. I think that's all it says. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with a brush like this. It's just kind of like I really find this really nice for blushes. So I usually get a little bit and then put that on the apples of your cheeks. I usually do, and then I go up. Just go up. We're getting somewhere. Okie dokie. So after we're done with that, we're gonna go in with a highlighter. So we are gonna go in with a highlighter. So this highlighter I've actually been loving. It is by Wet n Wild, the Hello Halo, and it is a duo, so it's a blush and a highlighter, but the blush is also kind of a highlighter, which I really like. So it looks like this. Super pretty. I'm gonna just have a brush like that, and I'm gonna spray it with makeup Mist and Set by e.l.f. also. And just tap it, and then there we go. See that? Ooh. I usually go in with a beauty blender to kind of just make sure it's not too much. Make it a little more natural. For this fall look, I'm gonna go in with the Naked Urban Heat palette. I am going to be using Sauced and Low Blow for my crease, and then I'm going to just be blending it for a transition shade before I go in with more of a darker color. So I'm just gonna use a blending brush that's very fluffy. I like those. I'm gonna just put both of them. I'm just gonna take both. And then I start on the side of my eye, so the corner of my eye, and then I go in. I go in really lightly because you can always build that color. Then I usually keep my fingers on the end of my brush because it really helps not put too much product, so it helps to blend much better than if you put it close. You're gonna get a lot more product and it's gonna be a lot harder to blend. Just gonna do a sweeping motion. I usually don't go all the way in, just go halfway, a little more than halfway. And just keep doing that until you get a good blend also go in with another brush that has no product at all, just so I can blend that a little better. Now that I have that, I'm gonna take another brush, a smaller blending brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the He Devil. I really like that color. And then I'm gonna go in that crease and just darken that corner crease up a little bit. Nice, nice. So now we're gonna go in back with that, and it's gonna be kind of blending again, making sure that everything is blended. So now that that is done, I am actually gonna go in with my finger, and I'm gonna go into Dirty Talk. So I'm just gonna put that on my finger and just place it on my lid. Look at that. All right. And then now with the one that you used He Devil on, you're gonna go back on the He Devil, and then you're gonna just blend that. And then one more time, we're gonna use the blending brush that has no product, and we're just gonna blend some more. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the other eye, and then I will be right back. Okay. And we are back. So what I did is, while I was doing my eyes, I put the Dirty Talk under my waterline and just blended it out. That's all I did. So now we are moving on to mascara. So right now I've been using the Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal. I really like this. It's super good for the under the lashes too. They don't clump. They really make your eyelashes super long. The dupe for this one for drugstore, well, this is a drugstore, but a cheaper one, because this is $11. This is the Essence Lash Princess, and this is like $3. I think it's $2 something, but it is amazing too. Okay, so now we are gonna just put some lashes on. I am wearing the Kiss 11 lashes. I put 2 of them together because they come in a 5-pack. So I just put them together. They're very like fluffy and flirty. I really like flirty lashes. So I'm just using it with the Kiss glue, and the Kiss glue is actually one of my favorite glues. I like it a lot more than the Duo glue. So that says a lot, and this glue is like $3 at Walmart. Okay, now we are back with both lashes on and ready to do the lips. So moving on to lips, I actually just got the Milani Easy Liner. It's most natural, and it is, yeah, don't know what the name is. But it's just a nice lip liner that you just turn. It's a very nice nude. Just gonna line. I line a little bigger because my lips are very small. So I line a little bit over my lips. So this one's the Milani Amore Satin Matte. It is a lip cream, and it is in 01 Lavish. I just got this too. It's super light. I think it's gonna pair really good with the Milani liner. I'm just gonna, okay. Smells, oh, I don't know what that smell is. It smells super good. It smells like strawberries. Okay. All right, and then to finish the look, I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set and just spray. More. Well, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you loved every single minute of it, and I hope I can create more content that you guys will love. So if you like this video and if it was helpful and just fun to watch, please just like, comment something that you want me to do next, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.